Welcome to autobotsoft.com. We are so pleased to introduce Behance Automation Bot, which can increase views on Behance automatically, spread links of Behance Posts with keywords, spread users' followers, also auto-follow, mass follows, and auto-message to Behance users in bulk. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to increase views on Behance automatically with our Behance automation tool. After downloading and installing the software, you log in with provided username and password, and then you will see the interface of Behance automation software here. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running any function. So the first section is action. There are 6 options for you to choose here, and you will click on the function that you want to run. In this video, I will click on increase views. Next, a track section. This is the number of windows will be open and run at the same time. For example, you put 3 here. 3 windows will be open, 3 accounts will log in and run at the same time. You need to put the corresponding number which complies with your computer configuration here. Next is account section. This section will save Behance accounts to run this software, so you need to import data. Click on this icon data. You will see the database manager download box here. And there are 2 ways for you to import data. The first one is you will do it manually. You will click on this icon, select Add Group, and type the group name here. For example, I will type tutorial. Then click OK. To create a group, you click on this group, click on this icon, select Add Item, and then you will import the data here. First is email address. Next, a password. Next, recovery mail. You can leave it blank if you don't have recovery mail. For example, this is our recovery mail. Next, a proxy port, proxy user, and proxy pass. You can leave them blank, and you can enter them if you select from data a proxy source section. For example, in this video, I will enter proxy and bot. Then click OK. Similarly, you can click on this icon, select Add Item to add many other Behance accounts here. The second way for you to import data is you will create a text file. Name it as account, and then you will type the parameter which is corresponding with the titles here. First is email. Comma password, comma recovery mail. You can leave this blank if you don't have. Comma proxy port, proxy user, proxy pass. If you select from data at proxy source section. Similarly, you can import thousands of Behance accounts here. Each account will be typed per line. Then click to save. And you select Convert, import CSV. Click on this icon, select the account text file created. Then click OK. Then you can see the accounts imported here. You click on this icon to change to an easier remembered name. For example, tutorial 2, then click OK. To have this Behance account, you can refer to our software Behance Creator. And if you create Behance accounts with our software Behance Creator, the accounts which have been created will automatically link to this software. No need for you to import the account anymore. And then you close the download box. At account section, click on this icon, select the group of accounts that you want to run. For example, I select tutorial group. Next is run session. This is the number of times that you want the software to run. If you set it as the default, the software will run continuously until you stop it manually. And you can put any other number here. For example, you put 1000, the software will run 1000 times successfully and then stop automatically. Next, with cookies folder section and data folder section, you will create new folder here. Name it like cookies. And then you copy path of this folder to paste it into the cookie folder section. If you create Behance account with our software Behance Creator, just copy that path of folder cookie and then paste it into this section. The software will not launching again. Next, with data folder, you will create another new folder and name it data. Data folder will save result of the software when it runs. Then copy the path and paste it into the data folder section. Next is proxies section. There are three options for you to choose here. The first one, if you select from file and file proxies section, there are two choices for you to choose. The first one is lines from URL. You will paste link address of proxy here. For example, this is link address of our proxy. And another way is lines from file. When you select lines from file, you create a text file to save proxy. For example, these are our proxy, IP and ports. Then click to save. At file proxy section, click on this icon, select the text file proxy created. The second one is you select from data. Remember to import proxy and port with Behance account that has been mentioned at the account section. If you don't have proxy, you can select no proxy. The software will use IP of your computer to run. Next is user agent file section. When you purchase the software, we will provide you with the user agent file. You just download that file. This is the user agent file, and click on this icon. Select the file downloaded. Next is to capture key section. You need to create account on tocapture.com and then get the tocapture key to paste into this session. When you run the software, sometimes it will require capture, so paste it into the session. The software will show capture automatically for you. Next is sleep time. The unit here is milliseconds, so this is the range of time that you want the software to take break among run turns. For example, you put here 5,000 to 7,000, the software will take break of 5 to 7 seconds. These mentioned above are basic settings you need to set up before running any function. Now we will instruct you to run the increase Behance views function here. Now at action session, you will select increase views. Next, at link list section, you will create a text file to save link a post that you want the software to view. For example, this is the post that I want to view. You see it has 135 views now. And click on this post. After view, you can like or follow this too. You will copy this link and then paste it into this text file. Click to save. Then at link list section, you click on this icon. See that the links post text file created. You can add more than one link here in this text file. Next, at view time section, this is the range of time that you want software to view the post. The unit here is second, so if you set it 15 to 20, the software will launching account and then view the post in the range of time 15 to 20 seconds. After viewing, you can select follow or like by selecting yes in these two sections. In this video, I will select yes and like after viewing only. Then click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software launches has accounts, view the post, and then after like it. Now we will back to the post to see how views and like increases. You can see the like increased to 18 now, and then scroll to the end. You can see the view increases to 146 here. This demonstrated above are instructions on how to increase Behance views automatically with our software Behance automation tool. You can visit automationsoft.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.